dash tele three Reliance ki Jio 52 kala kamjeni di ani di anda ta triga sanjuna la shush le go re ani manguji da khengo randa Reliance ki da Jio la ne Jio net la ne da betkela chumbu shush da anda triga sanjuna la shule shimba re ani handa nye ki di Jio 52 di khaza nyoyi komo chikdong kubje gogu resha ani di anda di nyamdu ani sim card di nyamdu ragdu SIM card logo to dinala and activate chaju and activate the sani trip the job sagu the sani was sadu chagu ani and dendo chi ani dingal ani chigdong go cherwa Jio 5 gi box dendo sto gam chinju portable habush lesha ani dinala Jio and dendo stisha ani gomo nidong geja go Jio 5 2 resha dirwa ani da khong di chane gomo chigdong geja go resha Komajidong Chasha Honzuke. Dinner Karaga leaves in a router, USB adapter that is a leader. And dinner create your own hotspot lashra. Create your own hotspot another Honzuki Wi-Fi router Nashi and Nangla Wi-Fi router Hon Nashi and hotspot to sim there and mobile mabutu and the computer, the laptop that did to your home and doshre. And support micro SD card and micro SD card support Chidu and then another storage Nashire. And wireless sharing through SD card and SD card do you wireless share mida bhazu share to connect up to 31 device and device sum soji to the mida in a device sum soji to internet pa kyo shu chagre ane in a honzu and the tajana and the kalasena and device choose to na award to shesha on any mambo to na speed the harina kyo irwa on the enable Jio Voice the enable che do and Jio Voice the Harsana the Jio ki my Jio app and download china ani then a chaza and the Jio dichidure Liachidure digachi ani the battery 2300 mAh ki battery do dinala shom den dosh to and the khachentagi and the ra you choose to and the computer ki mouse your hand does to then you can thumb the device the pasharwa and then a carrier to a chicta tambochala show them the dendos to show the hashish to and in the warranty card resha warranty limited kari image should have to be connected everywhere the whole details how much khande two go image kari image chasan city abuch lot ne aware ani Wi-Fi router ji tendo stu ani chunju yabudo portable che khidebo cherwa ani digi and power on off ten che the power on off che ani diga de locked burgre and the lock mau burgdo and the network la and the kinds of network the under activate mare ani this would the Wi-Fi ga signal che on do chresha ani the under chinda chungyi bodu and the Jio 5 ki and the internet unlimited free race gidura chinda chungyi bodu hine ni yama cheje chidu bodu ani handa dinde marsha ani nimare la 4GB ki ani download ta upload ta dinde chedu ani 4GB chiwa ani 4GB shula ani konje internet ma chha do huge ma chha do sir internet speed chora on do sto nimare la 4GB ko download to ani Jio 5 2 ki ngodo dizami ani digi ani phe di khande dani yabudo thonggo to kaisna internet ni free re ani dawsum ring ta dawsum chanda chinda kuwa ro an chungni bodu re chinda chungni ki tapshi bodu ani pheje ta yore ani ni tana di nyotuna an both re sangbudu ani kyong yomare sangbudu di chala di nyowaina ine injimiji susugi yoyo la ani Jio ki ani network di khande ligi tuye chig injimiji sirona ani hondi ani situna hondi siwaina ani shine ani di nyona shambaya kajela internet networking signal di yabu mena andi nyoma nyoyo mare ani chomeje chagre onchin di injimiji tona terochi ani shamba mise me ani chala ni betkor ni jo shush to portable che khidebo cherwa an khodrona yonzo ya susu hotspot se yore ani yan six khodro enta daily dotro in roaming ni free re di indi di ani yagu choina hinjimiji like the share chirochi ani nyegi ande ya maomba ya dende nyegi channel la ani yan twitter ri ki ngore dende sawa dende ani siwoina hinjimiji nya subscribe na rona la so tuje nang phejalo